Pakaiban yang abi kalon seorang Abu Bereihan. Tipet goknyan, karakter goknyan. Nyan pakaiban bak gambaran Nabi.
He's an amazing person, amazing person, and a great scholar. Unfortunately, he didn't write so much, but the founding of PUSA, the founding of as an organization, and his breadth of understanding, his links with the community, his understanding of Aceh history, and don't forget, he told me his ancestors came from Patani. So so he actually an amazing
Amazing
person.
man, eh?
And for all the vilification that was leveled at him, he was not an intolerant person. He led the rebellion against Indonesia based on principles that were broken. So he was an amazing man, yes. Abu Baray received a letter from Tunku Abdul Rahman inviting Aceh to join in Malaysia. And
Okay.
Abu Baray answered, I'm not going to desert my fellow Muslims in Indonesia.